Good day, my name is Marang Matlapeng and I'm pleased to introduce my group, which consists of Waja Robin Mawila, Ame Angela Matlaha, Karen Zane Buidizwe, Katlego Rosina Matswelenyane, Zainab Kelezo Kamis, Amanda Palesa Matanga, and Tando Changuma Gwadu. We are here to present the ICT coursework 1.
My name is Robin Waja Mawila and I'll be presenting task 1 of the ICT coursework 1. We were assigned to prepare a 500-word report on the impact of technology on education. We were given instructions on how to format the text document, and I'll demonstrate that as follows. Firstly, we were assigned to change the font to Arial. We are going to highlight the whole text and then go to the drop-down menu on the font section and select Arial. We were also assigned to change the font size to 12 points. We are going to select 12 on the font size section. And we were also assigned to do double line spacing. We are going to go to paragraph settings and then select the drop-down menu at line spacing section and select double. And then apply changes by clicking OK. We were also assigned to justify the text alignment. We are going to click on the justify text alignment icon.
I am Zainab Kamis and I'm going to be taking you through on how we inserted the table of contents as well as page numbering. Starting off with the table of contents, you're going to start by highlighting all your titles. After highlighting your titles, you are going to go to the Home tab. Home tab, then Styles to apply any heading of your choice. After this, you are going to place your cursor where you want your table of contents to appear. Then you're going to go to the reference, click on table of contents and apply any table of your choice. Moving on to page numbering. So we want our document to have both the Roman numerals as well as Arabic numbers. To do so, you're going to start by applying section breaks. You're going to place your cursor at the end of the page where you want your Roman numerals to appear. Then go to Layout, select Breaks, then go to Next Page. After inserting your section breaks, you are going to insert your page numbers. You are going to do this by going to Insert, then Page Number, and then choose where you want your page numbers to appear. In this case, we chose plain number 3. Then you are going to format your page number by going to Page Number, Format Page Numbers, choose your Roman numerals, and press OK. After this step, you're going to go to your second section, and then you're going to insert the page numbers by going to Insert, Page Number, choose where your page numbers, play. Then you're going to format the page number by going to Page Number, Format Page Numbers, start at 1, and then press OK.
My name is Marang Matlapeng and I'm here to present how to add in-text citations and references. To add the citations, you place the cursor where you want the citation to appear, which in this case is the 4th line after the word classroom. Then on the menu bar, go to references, then under the citations and bibliography section, press the drop down for insert citations, then add new source. Then you're supposed to specify the type of source you use, which in our case was a journal article. Then add the author, the journal name, and the year. Then to add the reference list, scroll all the way to the end of the document. That's where the reference list is supposed to appear. Then still on the reference section on the menu bar, go to bibliography under the citations and bibliography section. Click the drop down and select references. That's how you add the citations and references. Yeah. My name is Vamimarang Matlapeng, and I'm here to present question 2 of the ICT coursework 1, which is Microsoft Excel. We are
Total price, sorry. Okay.
My name is Vamimarang Matlapeng, and I'm here to present question 2 of the ICT coursework 1, which is Microsoft Excel. We are asked to create a spreadsheet for ABC 2025 mottos for the parts they sell. Question 1 reads, create a table above exactly as it appears. We are given a table on the question paper of which we copied exactly as is. Question 2 then asks us to insert 2 columns after the cost, the total price and the profit respectively. To insert a new column, click on the empty cell after Cost-Tempula, which is D1, and type in total price. Then to insert the profit column, click on the empty cell after total price, which is E1, and type in profit. We are then asked to calculate price using a markup of 40%. To calculate the total price, we multiply the Cost-Tempula by 40% and add that to the Cost-Tempula. So our formula is going to be equals to, open brackets, C2, which is the Cost-Tempula, times 40%, which is basically 0.4, close brackets, plus C2, then enter. To fill out D3 to D9, we click on D2 and drag from the bottom right corner. To calculate the profit, we subtract the Cost-Tempula from the total price. So our formula is going to be equals to D2 minus C2. Enter. To fill out E3 to E9, drag from the bottom right corner. The following question then asks us to insert a title row and write ABC 2021 mottos, stock levels and pricing. To insert a title row, we go to A1, then right click, then insert entire row. Okay. Then type in ABC 2021 mottos, stock levels and pricing in A1. We are then asked to merge column A to column E and shade the row light gray. To merge column A to column E, we highlight A1 to E1, go to the alignment section, then merge and center. Then to shade the row light gray, go to the font section and press on the drop down for fill color, then pick the appropriate color, which is light gray. We are then asked to save the workbook as Profit. To save the workbook, we go to File, then Save As. Question 5 then asks us to insert a column after Profit for the order quantity. To insert the column, click on the empty cell after Profit, which is F2, and type in order quantity.
My name is Karen Guidita and I'll be presenting questions 6, 7, and 8 of the ICT coursework 1 Excel. Question 6 says, for all those items whose quantities are 75 or below, place an order of 45% of the current quantity that you have in stock. For those above 75, place an order of 20%. Answers to be whole numbers only. So we are going to start by clicking cell F3, adding equals, function if, in brackets, B3 less than or equal to 75, comma, B3 times 45%, B3, comma B3 times 20%. Close the bracket and press enter. We are to then drag from cell F3 to cell F10. We will then right click and press format cells. Press number and put it at 1 decimal place, 0 decimal places. For question 7, we are to draw a pie chart with a legend and appropriate title to show the quantity ordered for each part. Firstly, we are going to highlight cell A2 to A10 while pressing Ctrl F3 to F10. Go to the Insert tab. We are to then pick pie chart. In this one, we have decided to go with the 2D pie chart. Since the title and the legend have already been placed, we do not need to edit. As for question 8, it says insert the row at the bottom of the table and calculate the totals for cost price, total price, and profit. So we are going to press cell C, C11. Then we are going to go 3D For question 8, we are to insert the row at the bottom of the table and calculate totals for cost, price, total price, and profit. For that, we are to click on cell C11 equals function sum and then we are to highlight from C3 to C10. Press enter. We will then click and drag onto row D, E, and F. I'm done.
My name is Tanduma Koti and I'll be presenting on PowerPoint question 3. So the question instructed us to create a presentation with 4 slides to introduce our school. Printout should be 4 slides per page. The first slide should reflect the title slide, name of school, and the presenter's name. So the first thing that you are going to do is go up to the ribbon and then press layout. There you will choose your title slide. After that, you will type in the name of your school and the presenter's name as shown in the projection. The second slide should contain title and content layout. The slide should be welcome to name of our school, and then details should include school location, headmaster's name, school population size, and school motto. All should be in bullet point form. So we go to the second slide and then we go back to the ribbon. We press layout and we choose the title and content layout. After that, to install the bullet points, you will go back up to your ribbon and then at paragraph, you will choose the first one there and then choose any of these bullet points. Thank you.
My name is Ame Angela Matara and I'll be doing questions 3 and 4. So for slide 3, it should be a 2 content layout. So to do that, you're going to go to layout and then select 2 content. And then this should be labeled as lifestyles at my school, and the details should contain common challenges due to COVID-19 encountered in the school on the left side and the possible solutions on the right side. And then for slide 4, it should be a title only. So you go to layout and select title only, and this should be stay safe. And then you are also instructed to insert a circle. So I'm going to go to shapes, the drop down menu, and then select your circle, and then you show it as follows. And in the circle, you're supposed to type wash your hands always. So you go to insert, a text box, and then you type in wash your hands always. And you're also instructed to include the words thank you below the circle. So you include a text box and then type thank you.
My name is Katlagorosna Matsalenyane and I'll be doing question 5 to 7. We are going to start with question 5, which requires us to add the date and time automatically on the left side of the footer. We are going to go to view, then slide master. Then click on the bottom left. Then insert date and time. Then update automatically. Then click on OK. Then close the slide master. Moving on, we are required to add an animation effect of our choice in circle. In the circle we chose in slide 4. We are then going to slide 4. Click on the circle. Then go to animations. We choose fade. on to question 7. Add a theme color of your choice and transition effects across all the slides of your presentation. To add the theme color, we are going to design, then choose the design you want to use, which is the first one. Then for the transition effects, we are going to go to transitions. Then we choose the third one.
This is all from my group and I. Thank you.